Want to make healthy eating easier and more enjoyable? Here are 11 food hacks to boost your meals and snacks with minimal effort. Number 1. Visibility of healthy food. We tend to eat what's in plain sight. Make nutritious choices more accessible by keeping healthy foods front and center, whether it's in your fridge or on your countertop. When you see them often, you're more likely to reach for them. Number 2. Keep veggies fresh longer. Prepping veggies ahead of time makes snacking easy, but they can dry out quickly. Store-cut veggies like carrots and celery in water-filled containers to keep them fresh and crunchy longer. Number 3. Boost nut butters with seeds. Want to add even more nutrition to your meals? Mix seeds like chia, flax, and sunflower into your favorite nut butter. You'll get extra fiber, omega-3 salt, and a delicious crunch. Number 4. Creative smoothie additions. Tired of the same old smoothie recipes? Try adding frozen zucchini or white beans for extra creaminess and nutrients without changing the flavor. These ingredients add fiber, protein, and vitamins to your smoothie in a snap. Number 5. Power of frozen berries. Berries are loaded with antioxidants, but they can be pricey when out of season. Stock up on frozen berries. They're just as nutritious and perfect for smoothies, oatmeal, or snacking. Number 6. The magic of spices and herbs. Herbs and spices are small but mighty. Just 1 teaspoon of dried oregano can double the antioxidant content in a meal. Plus, they add amazing flavor, helping you cut back on salt, sugar, and oil. Number 7. Freezing fresh herbs for convenience. Keep fresh herbs on hand by freezing them in ice cube trays with water or oil. This trick preserves their flavor and nutrients, making them ready to toss into soups, stews, or stir-fries. Number 8. The benefits of cooked versus raw vegetables. Raw and cooked veggies each have their perks. While raw spinach has more vitamin C, cooking it increases nutrients like vitamin A and iron. Enjoying both raw and cooked veggies helps you get a wide range of nutrients. Number 9. Creating a snack arsenal. Having a go-to snack arsenal makes healthy choices effortless. Try simple ideas like apple slices with yogurt and cinnamon or dates stuffed with nut butter for a quick, nutrient-packed boost. Number 10. Bringing healthy options to events. Meal planning doesn't have to be rigid. Just having a rough plan can help you stick to your goals, avoid food waste, and make grocery shopping easier. Use a meal planner and shopping list to keep things organized. Number 11. Bringing healthy options to events. Heading to a gathering? Bring something healthy that everyone will enjoy, like a platter of fresh veggies, fruits, and dips. It's a great way to ensure you have nutritious options wherever you go. These small tips can make a big difference in your eating habits. Try them out and see how much easier healthy eating becomes. Happy eating!